Punctures and wheels. To remove the front wheel, first release the brake cable and open the quick release or unbolt the axle, depending on your bike. Now that the wheel is off, hook the wide end of the tyre lever under the tyre bead. Lever the bead over the rim and hook the other end of the tyre lever round the nearest spoke. Slide one tyre lever around the remainder of the rim until one side is off the rim all the way around. Remove the valve nut, if it's fitted, and push the valve through the rim and pull out the inner tube. If fitting a new inner tube, disregard the following steps until we get to putting everything back together. To repair an old tube, inflate it a small amount and hold it up to your ear. Rotate the tube slowly, listening for a quiet hiss of escaping air. If you can't hear anything, the puncture is likely to be a slow one. In that case, the only sure way of finding the puncture is to submerge it into a bowl of water and watch for the telltale bubbles. In either case, when you have found the source of the puncture, mark it with a crayon and let the air out of the tube once again. Using a piece of sandpaper, gently scour the area around the puncture, clearing it of any dirt or dust. Now apply a thin layer of adhesive from the puncture repair kit, using the hole as the centre of the area covered. Leave it a little while to become tacky but not dry, before peeling the foil from the back of the patch and pressing it onto the adhesive firmly. Make sure that the centre of the patch is over the puncture and keep applying pressure to the patch for a full minute. Ensure that all the edges of the patch are stuck down firmly. Spread some chalk over the repair, preventing any excess adhesive sticking to the inside of the tyre. Just to be sure, leave the inner tube for another few minutes so that the adhesive has completely dried. While the repair is drying, run your fingers over the inside of the tyre to find out whatever caused the puncture. But take care, as the object is likely to be sharp. If there is nothing obvious to be found, it may be the case that it has already dropped out. Now it's time to put everything back together. Inflate the inner tube a little and slip the valve through its hole in the rim, adding the valve nut if there is one. Work the tube back inside the tyre, checking that it's not pinched or twisted. Push the valve upwards and work the side of the tyre back over the rim with your fingers, starting with the section next to the valve. Work round the tyre until it's fully on, using the tyre levers if the final section is too tough for fingers alone. Tighten the valve stem nut if there is one, and fully inflate the tyre. Finally, refit the wheel onto the bike frame and reconnect the brakes.